Okay, so the basic economic problem, and I like to look at this in, let's say, five ways, in five statements basically. So the basic economic problem is the presence of unlimited wants, wants, desires, quahishas. So they're just unlimited, infinite, right? However, there are limited resources, and understand by we mean these resources are limited when you compare them to your wants, relative to your wants. So you could increase resources by 100,000%. That won't, you will still suffer from the basic economic problem because the idea is your wants are just unlimited, never ending. So resources will always be limited when you compare them to your wants. So these are again relative to wants, right? So because there are unlimited wants but limited resources, this leads to scarcity, right? Uh, because you can't fulfill all of those wants because you don't have enough resources, and hence a choice has to be made with regards to which of the wants you want to fulfill because you can't fulfill all of them. One thing I forgot to add here: these resources have alternative uses. So it's not like there's just one particular set of things you can do with these resources. You can allocate them in different in the production of goods or services that would satisfy different types of wants, which is why you have a choice, right? Because they do have alternative resources. So unlimited wants, limited resources, which leads to scarcity, hence a choice needs to be made. And when you're making a choice, you will suffer from what we can call opportunity cost. If I have spelled it correctly, I'm very bad with spelling, right? What is opportunity cost in and of itself? We're going to look at that in the next video. This was basically it for the basic economic problem if you really oversimplify. If they ever ask you, in particularly in an MCQ, what really is the basic economic problem, and they have all of these in the options, you're going to pick scarcity. The reason being scarcity is really what the basic economic problem is about. It happens because there are unlimited wants but limited resources, and the effects of scarcity are that you have to choose and then you suffer from opportunity cost. But the basic economic problem in and of itself is scarcity, right? So you could be the basic economic problem they can ask in MCQs in a data response. They could ask what it is, but depending on the marks, you'd elaborate appropriately, and that's basically it.